In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all in Inkscape. Let's start by getting Inkscape open on your desktop. Once the app launches, either open an existing document or create a new one so you have something on the canvas to work with. Any shapes, text, or imported images will do. If you're on Mac OS, remember that many shortcuts use Command instead of Control and Option instead of Alt. The quickest way to select everything on your current layer is with a single shortcut. Press Ctrl+A. Inkscape immediately highlights all unlocked objects on the active layer. The key detail here is active layer and unlocked. If something doesn't get selected, it's usually because it lives on a different layer, or that object or layer is locked. You can glance at your Layers panel to confirm which layer you're on, and check for a lock icon if selections don't react as expected. This shortcut is perfect when you want to move or resize an entire layer's contents together without affecting anything else in the document. Now, if you need to grab everything across the entire document, again, only the unlocked items, use Ctrl+Alt+A. This tells Inkscape to look through all layers and gather every unlocked object at once. It's especially helpful in complex files with multiple layers where you don't want to hop between layers or risk missing elements. Keep in mind, hidden objects can still be selected if they're merely hidden and not locked, so if you're aiming to avoid those, lock them first. There's also a fully visual method that doesn't require remembering shortcuts. Activate the Selector tool by pressing S. Then click and drag a large selection box around your artwork. This is often called a rubber band selection. Everything fully inside that box gets selected. For best results, start your drag slightly outside your artwork and give yourself plenty of room so you don't accidentally nudge objects while you begin the drag. Zooming out a bit can help you encompass the entire composition in one smooth motion. If you need more precision with that drag, hold Alt while you draw the box. In this mode, Inkscape will select any object that the red outline touches, not just what's completely inside. It's a great trick when your design is dense or when tiny handles make it hard to box things neatly. On Mac OS, use the Option key for the same effect. That's it. Select the current layer with Ctrl+A, select across all layers with Ctrl+Alt+A, or use the Selector tool with a drag and add Alt when you want touch-based selection. Happy designing!